Hello guys, naligo na po ko sa CR. So, practice to ko kanta guys, kahapon wala akong ka-practice. Maka-practice ko kanta Too Much Love Will Kill You by Jobit Baldibeno. Too Much Love Will Kill You by Jobit Baldibeno. Practice na natin. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many better tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it would be, and my tangled state of mind, and I've been looking back to find where I went through. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind, torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just the shadow of the man I used to be, and it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine, now all I ever do is bring you down. How it would be if you were standing in my shoes. Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Every way I go, I'm bound to lose. Oh, yeah, too much love will kill you. Just as sure as not at all. It's drain the power that's in you, make you fled and scream and crawl. And the pain will make you crazy. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Yeah, too much love will kill you. Too much love will kill you. I make your life alive. Yes, too much love will kill you, and you won't understand why. You give your life, you sell your soul, but here comes again. Too much love will kill you, and the end. And the end. May pagkabisaya yung accent ko guys. Too much love will kill you. Tanginan eh. So next na po nakantahin ko guys is dami na po siya sa Simpleng Tulad Mo by Daniel Padilla. One, two, three, go. Alam mo ba, may gusto akong sabihin sa'yo. Magmula nung nakita kay naakit ako. Simple lang na tulad mo ang pinapangarap ko. Ang pangarap ko. Kaya't sana'y maibigan mo ang awit kong ito para sa'yo. Dahil simple lang ang pangarap ko, mahalin ang katulad mo, sana'y mapansin mo. Dahil simple lang ang pangarap ko, maging ikaw at ako, ang tanging ligaya ko. Simpleng tulad mo. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Alam mo bang lalo kang gumaganda sinta? Sa simple na katulad mo ako'y nahulog na nga. Lahat ay gagawin ko upang mapaibig ka, sinta. Kaya't sana'y maibigan mo ang awit kong ito para sa'yo. Dahil simple lang pangarap ko, mahalin ang katulad mo, sana'y mapansin mo. Dahil simple lang pangarap ko, maging ikaw at ako, ang tanging ligaya ko, simpleng tulad mo. Wala na nga akong mahiling pa, kundi ikaw. Ikaw lang ang kailangan ko. Sa simpleng na katulad mo, ang buhay ko'y kompleto na. Ikaw lang sinta. Dahil simple lang pangarap ko, mahalin ang katulad mo, sana ay mapansin mo. Dahil simple lang pangarap ko, maging ikaw at ako, ang tanging ligaya ko, simpleng tulad mo. Simple lang pangarap ko, mahalin ang katulad mo, sana ay mapansin mo. Dahil simple lang pangarap ko, maging ikaw at ako, ang tanging ligaya ko, simpleng tulad mo. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, simpleng tulad mo. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, simpleng tulad mo. Yan lang muna guys sa this video, pero mamaya magkanta na naman.